Welcome to this video on upgrading Tableau Server. Upgrading Server is designed to be as straightforward as possible. The new installation will automatically migrate workbooks, users, groups, permissions, configuration settings, and license information. As a note, at various times during this video, the process of running a command will take several minutes to execute. This recording will be paused during those times. It is important to review the pre-upgrade checklist. Before you upgrade, make sure you have the following: user account credentials with local admin permissions on the computer hosting Tableau Server. The Run as User account credentials used to configure Tableau Server. The setup files for the current version of Server, in case you need to revert and restore, and for the version you're upgrading to. It is important to note the bit version. If upgrading from 32 to 64-bit with a distributed install, the entire cluster must run on the same bit version. Several pre-upgrade items must be done on the server. Verify you have a current maintenance for your product key. You must be current with your maintenance to upgrade to a new Tableau Server version. In addition to your regular Tableau Server backups, it's a best practice to create a clean backup prior to upgrading your environment. Depending on your goals for the backup, you could back up before you clean up. Running cleanup will remove some log files and empty Tableau Server temp folders. If you want to save all the logs prior to upgrading, you can use the zip log command as discussed in the tab admin video. Open the command prompt running as an administrator and type the following. I'm on version 8.3, so that's my version. Next, we'll type tab admin status. This will check if the server is running. Next, tab admin cleanup. Executing tab admin cleanup while the server is running will remove various files older than 7 days. Now we want to stop Tableau Server using tab admin stop. Now we'll run tab admin cleanup once again. This removes more log files and content from the Tableau Server temp folders. Now that the server is cleaned up, we can take our backup. This will save the backup file with the name Server Upgrade Backup, followed by the date. The Server Upgrade Backup file has been created and placed in the bin folder of the Tableau server. We recommend copying it and moving it to a different computer. Once the backup has been taken, upgrading a single server installation is very straightforward. Use Add Remove Programs on the server to uninstall the earlier version. During the uninstallation, Tableau Server takes a backup that it will later restore during the installation process. Next, install the new version of Tableau Server on the machine. Tableau will prompt you for the destination location for Tableau Server. Make sure it is the same folder of the previous Tableau Server installation. This is important so the content will automatically restore from the backup. If for whatever reason content is not automatically restored, refer to the tab admin video to restore from the manual backup. Accept and click through these screens. Once Tableau Server has installed, it needs to be configured. As Tableau initializes, it will open the configuration dialog. The settings should be the same as the previous versions. Note that the user authentication area is grayed out, as this is migrated over from the previous server installation. Enter the Run as User account password and select OK. Tableau will continue with the initialization process. When this stage is complete, Tableau Server will start and automatically prompt you to log in. Double-check that all processes are green and up and running on the Status tab. You can also verify that your content and users were migrated to Tableau Server. Upgrading a distributed server installation requires the same preliminary steps as a single server. All machines in a distributed installation need to be the same bit version. For major version upgrades, for example, 8.3 to 9.0, use Add Remove Programs on the primary Tableau server to uninstall the earlier version. Use Add Remove Programs on the worker servers to uninstall the earlier version. Then install Tableau Worker Server on the worker servers. Finally, install Tableau Server on the primary Tableau server. If you are upgrading to a maintenance release of the same version, for example, 9.0 to 9.0.x, you can simply uninstall the primary and install the new version on the primary. There is no need to uninstall the workers, and the primary will automatically push the needed updates to the workers. Refer to the online help pre-upgrade checklist and upgrading a distributed installation for detailed information. Thank you for watching this upgrading server video. We invite you to continue with the on-demand training videos to learn more about using Tableau.